The Ministry of Education will release the grades of students who sat the primary exit profile PEP exam. Minister without portfolio with responsibility for education, Carl Semuda, made the announcement in Parliament today, where he also took on critics of the exam.
Bowing to pressure? It's not clear if this is the case, but after widespread criticism about the result format of the primary exit profile exam PEP, this announcement by Minister with Portfolio Responsibility for Education, Carl Semuda.
We will be publishing the individual scores and the results of the tests that were taken.
Those scores, he says, will be released by either the end of the week or next week. There have been several calls for the ministry to revert to releasing the results using the percentage format. There's been a suggestion also that the current format is being used to mask the poor performance of students. Mr. Semuda shot back.
That should satisfy a number of persons who have been apprehensive and have adopted a posture of doubt. We want to remove all doubt as to the quality of skill and expertise that was brought to bear on this exercise in the interest of the children.
He defended, too, the ministry's overall management of PEP.
Let me make it very clear. Persons who are not directly involved, armchair philosophers, doubting Thomases, I want to make it absolutely clear that as the person at the wheel in the ministry, I saw firsthand the quality of work by the people who work on these things.
Now, meanwhile, questions were also raised in Parliament about the method used to place students in high schools. Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Andrew, Angela Brown-Burke, had concerns.
What are you doing, or what are some of the plans to ensure that the 94% of the schools that we're looking at schools of choice, that we are finding a way to increase the resources? And some of it is not just intensity, it is what they have as their labs, it is the surroundings.
No matter how poor the community, no matter how modest the training levels are, our mission, our obligation is to make sure that the resources available are distributed equitably to give every child a chance.